CA Foundation Law and BCR 1.5 Days Revision Strategy. After your accounting paper, you have 45 hours before paper 2 business laws and business correspondence and reporting. Out of this, 4 hours are for traveling, 2 hours each on 24th July and 26th July, and 12 hours are for sleep in 2 nights. Leaving 4 hours for other activities, you must study for at least 25 hours. Your schedule from 24th July 7 pm to 26th July 12 pm will be as follows. On 24th July from 7 pm to 9 pm, revise the provisions of the Companies Act 2013 from short notes and practice a few important questions in writing. From 9 pm to 9:30 pm, have dinner and take some rest. From 9:30 pm to 11 pm, go through the provisions of the LLP Act 2008 from short notes. Do some important questions in writing. From 11 pm to 12 am, revise communication from BCR. From 12 am to 6 am, sleep well. On 25th July, wake up at 6 am and revise the Partnership Act 1932 from short notes and practice some questions in writing. From 9 am to 9:30 am, get ready and have breakfast. From 9:30 am to 1 pm, cover the Indian Contract Act 1872 from short notes and marked important questions. Learn the case laws too. From 1 pm to 2 pm, have lunch and take some rest. From 2 pm to 5 pm, quickly revise the Sale of Goods Act 1930 and do its important questions. From 5 pm to 5:30 pm, drink milk and take a small walk. From 5:30 pm to 7:30 pm, cover sentence types, direct, indirect, active, passive, vocabulary comprehension, passages and note making from short notes and important questions. From 7:30 pm to 8:30 pm, finish introduction to basics of writing, précis writing, article writing and report writing from short notes and read some sample illustrations. From 8:30 pm to 9 pm, have dinner and take some rest. From 9 pm to 11 pm, cover formal letters, official communication, formal mails, resume writing and meetings from samples, illustrations and their rules and formats. From 11 pm to 1 am, go through the latest RTP and MTP. From 1 am to 7 am, sleep well. On 26th July, wake up at 7 am and get ready and have breakfast till 8 am. From 8 am to 12 pm, revise all the concepts of law as well as BCR from short notes. Don't quit, just do it. All the best. Watch 1.5 Days Revision Strategy for CA Foundation Paper 3 Business Mathematics and Logical Reasoning and Statistics on 26 July 2021.